Today I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the car key batteries. What I have here is 2009 Toyota Camry. Well, all the car manufacturer may have a different size and different shapes of key, but as long as they have a battery inside, the principle is the same. First off, what you need to do is look for a spot that you can open the car key up. Sometimes you have a little screw, sometimes you have just this little little groove in there. So you just need a screwdriver. What you need to do is just stick a screwdriver in there and kind of once you have the key opened up, and Toyota has it's nice to have a little compartment right here, and it stores the battery inside. It makes a little nice waterproof compartment. You can see it's a little water seal compartment right there. Okay. So to open this, you will need to get your little handy screwdriver again. Okay. That's what it looks like inside the remote control. You can see it clearly. It has a CR2016 battery, button battery. You can get the battery from Walmart or Target. Basically, these are the battery, very easy to find. So just go to Walmart and find a battery that will match. The top side is a plus side. So before you take out the battery, I do recommend you take a picture of it so you can remember the orientation when you put it back in there. 2016. Positive side on the ups and negative on the bottom. There you go. It clicks into place. It will not force out. And there you have it. That's how it is. That's how easy it is to replace your car key remote control battery. Okay, you put it in there and then closes up. All right. Put it back to the key. So it's a shaped differently. So that's only one way you can put in there. All right. Okay, clip it into place. That's it. And that is how you replace the car key battery.